So now we're going to work on hooked bows or stopped bows. It's very important that when we're hooking the bow or playing two down bows together or playing two up bows together, that we use the index finger almost as a break to stop and also to start the bow. So I'll show you on open G, two hooked bows on a down bow. And two hooked bows on an up bow. So you notice that there's a little bit of space between each note. Here's two hooked bows on a down bow again on G. Now up bow. Let's play now the G major scale, hooking two bows. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's play that again, a little bit slower this time, making sure that your index finger is really firmly on the stick with a little bit of pressure every time you want to stop the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Notice the space between each note. So let's now play the G major scale in broken thirds, or every other note, in eighth notes. 1, 2, ready, go. And now descending or going down. Let's do this again, ascending and descending G major scale in broken thirds, and the top note will be a half note. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent.